Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to make a poll on Facebook. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone and click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, if you want to make a poll on a group, you just need to click on Groups and select the group that you want to make a poll, and then click on Write Something. And scroll down, and you can see the option to create a poll here. You just need to click on that and fill up this information, and then once done, you just need to click on Done to post it publicly. Now, if you want to create a poll in your page, you just need to switch to your page and click on What's on Your Mind. Scroll down again, and then again you can see the poll option. Click on that and fill up this information, and once done, click on the Done button located at the top right corner of the screen to share it publicly. And that's it. That's how you make a poll on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!